Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F7 Pro, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find privacy protection. Then let's scroll and find special permissions, and here in this list we have to localize this option, install unknown apps. So here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. Just find the app and tap on it and tap on the switcher. Here we've got the warning because basically you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Mark this statement that you're aware of the possible risks and confirm it with OK. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the Chrome is allowed to install some content. Of course, it works the same with all other apps, and it works also the same if you'd like to remove previously granted permissions. So just tap on the app and tap on the switcher, and after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.